Welcome to CineSpeaks channel. Let's have a look at today's Bollywood updates. Director Kashiv Nair's debut, a cross-border love story featuring Arjun Kapoor and Rakul Preet Singh in the lead, will be resuming shoot from Monday, just before the pandemic. It was 14 days away from completion. The film, yet untitled, directed by Kashiv Nair, is produced by Bhushan Kumar, Divya Khosla Kumar, Krishnan Kumar T-Series along with Monisha Advani, Madhu Bhojwani, Nikhil Advani, and John Abraham. ZEE5 has become a pioneer in curating original content across languages and genres. Recently, the platform announced a feature film titled Me Raksam. The ZEE5 film, presented by Shabana and directed by Baba, celebrates the father-daughter bond and pays homage to their father, legendary poet Kafi Azmi. The film features veteran actor Nasiruddin Shah, who will be seen playing the intimidating leader of the community, warning the father for not following the rules that they all should abide by. When asked about his take on art discrimination based on religion, he shared, I am not on a social reformer, so I can't make a general statement about society, but as an individual, if we don't rid ourselves of outdated ideas and prejudice, there is no hope that society will. So we have to start with ourselves. This change will happen very gradually and on its own accord. It can't be hurried up. Shivalika Oberoi has been receiving praises for latest release and how she epitomizes innocence and grace with the character. Her role in Khuda Hafiz is the complete opposite of her debut film, and she is getting a lot of love from audience and critics, even being called the national crush. Sharing the BTS of this particular scene, Shivalika shared a small video of how the team faced technical issues while shooting for this particular scene in a tiny corridor. Looking back to these days of shoot and wondering how did she manage to smile in these pictures, if you have watched Khuda Hafiz, you know this particular scene was full of emotions, pain and action. What you guys don't know is the technical difficulties as a team that was faced. Ananya Pandey is back shooting on the sets and says safety first. On the work front, Ananya will be next seen in Khalipilli opposite Ishan Khattar. She'll also be seen in Shakun Batra's Next along with Deepika Padukone and Siddhant Chaturvedi, and in Fighter opposite Vijay Devarkonda. Gajraj Rao virtually shot the promo of India Wali Ma. The promo of the show, which was launched a few days ago, was endearing and it touched the audience's hearts with the sweet story of Kaku and Rohan. The heartwarming and beautifully shot promo was directed by Gajraj Rao over a Zoom call. The promo shows that a love of mother is forever and strong and never changing for all time, and when her children need her most, a mother's love will always be there. Watch India Wali Ma starting 31st August 2020, 8:30 p.m. only on Sony Entertainment Television. As lockdown eases, Tiger Shroff resumes work. The current pandemic has caused the world to come to a halt, including the whole entertainment industry. As the lockdown eases, people are getting back to work, and joining the league is none other than the Tiger Shroff. The world's youngest action star took to social media earlier today and shared that he was getting back to work. Tiger captioned the photo, "Back to work. Hashtag keep the faith." Tiger was last seen in Baghi 3, which was a blockbuster hit at the box office. The actor will be next seen in Heropanti 2. Like many other celebs, even Pearl V. Puri, Jai Soni, and Megha Rai expressed joy after learning about Sushant Singh Rajput's death case being handed over to the CBI. So guys, what are your views? Do leave your comments below, and for more such updates, like, share and subscribe the channel.